Simplify this radical expression, square root of 50 minus square root of 18 raised to the power of 2. So let's start with square root of 50. So since this is not a perfect square, so let's split this into two factors in which one of them is a perfect square. So let's have the square root of 25 times 2 minus square root of 18. Since this is not a perfect square, so we need to split this into two factors, and they have 9 times 2 and then the square of 8. So let's continue. So let's have the square root of 25, the square root of 2 minus the square root of 9, the square root of 2, then the square of 8. So let's continue. So let's have the square root of 25. So this is 5, then square root of 2 minus the square root of 9 is 3, then square root of 2, and then the square of 8. So continue. So this time is, let's subtract 5 and 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2, then combine the square root of 2, and then the square of 8. Okay guys, so next is, let's have the square of 2. So 2 raised to the power of 2 times the square of the square root of 2. Okay guys, so 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4 times the square of the square root of 2, and this is 2. Cancel this. So let's multiply. So 4 times 2 is 8. So this is our final answer. Thank you guys for watching. Follow and share.